Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix frozen or unresponsive screen on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if your phone is just not reacting to anything that you do on it, what you guys want to do is press and hold the power button and volume down button. Now, as you guys can see, you'll see this menu right here. We're not going to click anything because our screen is not working. We're going to press and hold the power down button. Now let go of the not power down button, but the volume down button. Let go of it, press and hold only the power button. And now you can also let go. As you guys can see, now the phone should be in a state where it either restarts or is powered off. So press and hold the power button now until you see the Samsung logo appear. Now once it appears, you should be good to go. So we're gonna keep on holding it, and sometimes it may take a long time, as you guys can see, but it is restarting without us using our screen. So now what are we gonna do is we're gonna wait, and after that, if our screen is still unresponsive, you can also make sure that your screen protector is turned off, or not turned off, but taken off. And if it's applied properly on the screen, if it's not going off the edges or the side of the phone, you can keep it, but make sure that it's not too thick, because we all know that some companies make them really thick just to make sure that they break the screen protector and not the screen. So as you guys can see, now we are after a restart, and let's try and swipe the phone. Everything is working just fine. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software. So we're gonna go to settings. Now in the settings app, what are we gonna do is we're gonna scroll down, go to software update, and here, as you guys can see, we can click check for updates. If you're on the latest version just like me, I know that for a fact because 8.5 One UI is the latest one, then make sure that you go over and bring the phone to the authorized device service center and tell them about the issue. So the repair, if you have a warranty, it will not cost you anything, but if you don't have the warranty, then it might cost you a lot, like half of the phone, depending on what type of screen you get and if you do it in an authorized place. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.